Everyone checking to Market Think Tank, hello to S&P 500 index and hello to bullish market. Tons of volatility, multiple session of bullish run, and the market is still upbeat. Broken some short-term resistance line, trading above 200-day simple moving average line, trading above, also above the exponential moving average line, 200-day exponential moving average line. And the market is still upbeat. How things are going to unfold in next few sessions, let's check out technically. So let's get started and have a look what is happening in world equity indices. Dow Jones is slightly negative now. S&P trading at 270.90 right now. Year-to-date return is more than 11%. So Shanghai SE Composite is more than 22% positive year-to-date. Very good performance in Shanghai SE Composite. So pretty much positive on these region, and let's get into the technical charts now. All right, so this is a long-term chart. As we can see, as we discussed earlier, we have got a good upward move so far in the impulse movement since the bottom of December lows, which was 2351. We have got a good upward rally so far, and market is trading in the impulse direction. First one, we got one here, wave 2 here, then wave 3 up, wave 4 something like here, and we are going in the extension of wave 5. So pretty much concluding wave 5 just here at 2813, and we got another high here of 2814 on 4th of March. So pretty interesting setup so far. As we discussed in my last move, that the current decline from the top is in 3-wave structure. Initially we got 3-wave decline followed by 5-wave impulse so far. So we got 3-wave decline A, B, C, and now we are getting impulse move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and within the wave 5 we are getting extensions. Something like here, if you can see, this is wave 5 of the extensions. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and within the wave 5, if we just go deeper, we can see wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the current impulse move is about to complete here, and we have got a very good solid resistance also on these levels. We have got 3 touches in the past. First one here, then here, and third touch here, so, and another one just here. So this zone is going to be very critical, and we need to see how the market reacts on these levels, because we have seen in the past as well, whenever market comes around these levels, these lines, it gets very good resistance. So guys, as we noticed, we got 3-wave decline, then impulse move. So what we can expect from here onward? As I discussed in my last video, there are 3 possibilities. The first one is that we will get 3-3-5 structure. It's a flat correction. Otherwise, we will be in a triangle pattern A, B, C, D, E, where each wave is 3 wave, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, or wave 4 has just been completed and we are in the beginning of wave 5, where first move, wave 1 in wave 5 has completed or about to complete. On top of it, if we use elementary technical analysis, we can see this trend line is going to be very important, because we have got 3 touches in the past and right now market is just resisting here. So what I can expect from here onward is that we will get a correction, we will get a counter trend of this current upward move in ABC structure, something like this. A, B, C, and then we will get another move up, or otherwise we can get a downward correction in wave A, then wave B, and then C will complete here. Because if you just look the total correction from the top, it's more than 76% so far. The total correction from the high of 2940 is more than 76%, as you can see right now. So wave 1 is about to complete. Wave 1 is about to complete. We will get a correction here, something like this in ABC, or 335 structure, like 335, or the first wave can be 5 and then 3 and then 5, which can be a zigzag pattern. So we might get a correction like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1, 2, 3 in upward correction, and then 5 wave down. So this will be the expected move going forward, and after that, once we will complete the correction of this entire move, because the market has gone up by more than 20% from the low. If you just check the percentage increase from the low to high, it's about 20%. It's about 20% increase from the low to high. We touched the low of 2346 back on 26 December 2018, and we are just trading at the highs now of 2814. So pretty significant run so far, more than 400 points increase from the December lows, more than 20% increase in just couple of months. And with the impulse move, we are getting a very good upward rally so far. So what we can expect: a correction, a counter trend of these main trend, and then we will go for another upward move. So if you just look the whole broader perspective, this whole move can be wave A, then we are going in ABC in wave B, and then we might come for wave C. So I'm just stopping my expectation for the time being till wave A, B and C, because if wave 4 has been completed and we are in wave 5, so in wave 5 the current move is the first wave in wave 5. So we might anticipate a correction in wave 2 and followed by wave 3, which is something here. This one is wave 3. So this move would be very important. It will be either wave C or wave 3. So I'm not going into that anticipation right now. So what I can anticipate from the time being is that this correction is very important, because this is going to be very telling about the next probable move. Either we will come in wave 2 down here, or we will come in wave B and then we will go up for wave C. In either case, we are anticipating another move up from here onward, and on top of it, if we just add a 200-day exponential moving average line here. So very interesting to note here is that the market is trading above the 200-day exponential moving average line. First time it is trading above since we got a decline in December, the breakdown in December, market just penetrated above in the month of February, above this 200-day exponential moving average line, and now still managing to close above this level. At the same time, we are getting a triple top like situation, something here. And market is also trading above the 200-day simple moving average line as well. We just add a 200-day simple moving average line, and I'll mark it in a red color so that we can differentiate it. So we can see that the market is trading above the 200-day exponential moving average line as well as simple moving average line. So this is it, guys. This is my expectation for the time being, that wave 1 is about to complete. The next move is going to be very telling, and we will decide whether it is wave 1 or wave A. For the time being, bulls are in control. Market is trading above 200-day exponential moving average line, trading above 200-day simple moving average line, approaching a triple top situation somewhere around 28-25 levels. So I would rather suggest you to stay cautious for the time being and divest in the market and wait until the correction happens, because either we are in the bullish market or we are in the correction of the total decline. The correction is due for the time being. So this is it, guys. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I will tell you the historical chart of S&P 500 index, where we are standing right now as compared to 1932 and 1972 key levels. Watch out. Till that time, take care. Bye-bye.